Hey everyone, today we have got something perfect for winter, especially for people who ski, ride bikes, work outdoors, or live in cold, windy places. We are unboxing and testing a Balaclava Face Ski Mask with a movable design made for both men and women. It's fleece, it's windproof, it's warm, and actually looks pretty cool. So let's open it up, check the quality, talk about what makes it special, and I'll show how to wear it in different ways. Alright, inside the package, we have the balaclava neatly packed in a plastic protective sleeve. First impression, it feels super soft and thicker than the regular cheap ski masks you find online. As soon as I pull it out, you can see how stretchy it is. The stitching looks really solid. There are no loose threads, no weird chemical smells, and the fabric actually has weight to it. Just feeling it in my hands, you can tell it's going to be warm. The fleece inside is extremely soft, almost like touching a blanket, and that's really important when something is sitting on your face and neck in cold weather. So let's look around the design. You have got a full head and neck covering which protects your ears, throat, and jawline from cold wind. Then right here, this is the coolest feature. The face cover is movable. You can pull it up for full protection or slide it down if you need to talk, drink something, without taking off the entire hood. The mouth and nose area also has breathing mesh, which means when you exhale, the heat doesn't stay trapped inside. That helps prevent that sweaty feelings that some cheap balaclavas give you. Okay, so let's try it on. Step 1. Just slide it over your head like a hoodie. It's stretched nicely so it doesn't pull your hair or feel tight. Step 2. Adjust the eye opening area. Make sure your line of sight is centered and comfortable. Step 3. Pull the neck area down inside your jacket or hoodie. That seals the cold air out and stops wind from blowing underneath. Step 4. The face mask part can go up or down. Right now, I have it pulled up for full protection. If I pulled it down, I can speak clearly, breathe freely, and it becomes a simple hood. That movable concept is actually very helpful when skiing or riding a bike because you don't have to remove gloves or helmet to adjust it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.